Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vikrant Sunkarapalli. This is the part 2. We are going to see the DevSecOps complete tutorial series. So the today topic which we are cover in this DevSecOps tutorial series are, so these are the steps. Okay. So one by one we will be seeing and then we are going to implement. Okay. So please don't skip any tutorial and at the same time any video as well. In between, I will be giving some tips and tricks how to run the script and at the same time how to write a script as well. Okay. I think the first one, the introduction of DevSecOps is done, and at the same time understanding the implementation of CI/CD. Uh, the PPT have been shown you. It's also is being done, and from the third one, the third step onwards, we are going to do it. Okay. The first we will create AWS account. Once it is done, we'll create a IAM user to log in into that AWS accounts. Once it is done, we will install AWS CLI and Visual Studio and Terraform on your local machines or else any EC2 instance as well. So once it is done, then we will download a repo which I am build all the scripts you need to download in your local system, and then you need to practice those things. Okay. After that, we will open that scripts in Visual Studio Code and then understand each and every steps what exactly written in that Terraform scripts to implement our AWS infrastructure for DevSecOps. Okay. Once it is done, then there is a file called Jenkins install Jenkins file. We will understand what it does when we are deploying our infrastructure code. So once it is done, then we will be running all the Terraform scripts to create AWS instance. While creating AWS EC2 instance, we are going to install Jenkins files as well. So once it is done, then we'll navigate and we will take the EC2 instance and we'll access that and we'll find the Jenkins URL. Okay. Once it is done, then we'll find out the password and complete setup as well. Okay. Once it is done, then we will configure Maven setup, and then we need to install some required plugins to do the DevSecOps CI/CD pipeline. Okay. So once it is done, then we'll see all the testing related part. What is Sonar Cloud and how to create an account and how to integrate Sonar Cloud with Jenkins pipeline as well. So this completes the Sonar Cloud as instead of Sonar Cube as well. So once it is done, then we'll go with Sneak. This is a tool called Sneak. It's a new security vulnerability. We can find out each and everything. So what is we'll see what is sync and then creation of account and how to integrate sync with Jenkins pipeline as well. Once it is done, then we'll understand the Docker file. Once Docker file is created, then we'll all the bundle packages will push to the ECR. ECR is nothing but Elastic Container Registry. For that, we will create a ECR. Once ECR is created, we'll create a AWS credentials in Jenkins Credential Manager. Once it is done, then we'll build and push images to ECR, Amazon ECR. So once it is done, then we'll create a um, deployments on Kubernetes cluster. That is nothing but EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Services in AWS. We'll implement that. Once it is done, then we'll be integrating all these things with the help of Jenkins pipeline. Will on a single click, if any developers develop any code and run automatically, Jenkins pipe will pick up that source code and will be build and test and then deploy on deploy on EKS Kubernetes services. Okay, so we'll see each and everything in clear manner. Just follow my video and at the same time series as well. Don't miss any steps as well. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your community as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.